In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily unpublish your Wix site. If you need to take your website offline for a short time, maybe you're doing a redesign, fixing a critical issue, or preparing a new launch, Wix makes it quick and reversible. Unpublishing won't delete your content or your design. It simply makes the site unavailable to visitors until you're ready to bring it back. First, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site you want to take offline. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This is the central place where you control your site's core configuration, including privacy and publishing status. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Website Settings, then click it. This section includes general controls that affect how your site appears to the public and how Wix manages its live status. It's the right place to go when you want to temporarily hide your site without altering your content. Next, click Unpublish. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm this choice. This confirmation is important because unpublishing immediately changes your site's availability. When you're ready, click Unpublish Site to confirm. As soon as you confirm, your website goes offline. Visitors who try to reach your URL will no longer see your pages. Your domain and subscriptions remain intact, and none of your content is lost. All your pages, media, and settings stay safely in your Wix account, exactly as you left them in the editor. Think of it like flipping a switch from public to private while you work behind the scenes. A few helpful notes while your site is unpublished. This is a temporary state, and you can republish from the same area whenever you're ready. Because search engines can't access an unpublished site, extended downtime may affect visibility, so aim to keep the offline period as short as practical. If you collaborate with the team, let them know the site is offline to avoid confusion during reviews or approvals. And remember, unpublishing is different from